Sound stock is now testing the $8.98 resistance area, and this level could trigger the next breakout move. Over the last few sessions, SoundHound AI has shown strong bullish momentum after bouncing from the 790 support zone. Buyers are continuing to defend higher lows while price consolidates near recent highs. If Sound breaks above 898 with strong daily closing confirmation, then the next upside target could be around 979. But if 853 breaks down, then the stock could retest 793 support. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.